In this video, I'll show you how to confirm your identity on PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account on your computer or mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll need to verify your identity by linking either a debit or credit card or your bank account. This step is important because it helps PayPal confirm that the financial details you added belong to you. On the main dashboard, click on the Wallet option at the top of the page. Here, you'll see your linked accounts, such as cards or bank accounts. If you haven't added any, you'll see options to link a bank or link a card. For this example, let's link a card. Click on Link a Card and enter your debit or credit card information in the required fields. Once you submit, your card will be linked to your PayPal account. This completes an essential part of the verification process. If you prefer to verify with a bank account, click Link a Bank instead. Enter your bank account details. In some cases, PayPal will send a small deposit to your account with a unique code in the transaction description. Once you receive it, return to your PayPal account, find the verification section, and enter the code. This confirms that the bank account belongs to you. After linking a card or bank account, PayPal may ask for additional information depending on your account activity. You might be asked to upload a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. You'll receive instructions in your dashboard or via email to upload these documents. To upload proactively, click the gear icon in the top right corner of your dashboard to go to Account Settings. Scroll down to the Account Options and you'll find the section where you can upload your documents. Once these steps are complete, PayPal will remove any limitations on your account, including limits on sending or receiving money. Keep in mind that PayPal might request additional verification in the future if needed. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.